Alright, in this video I'll show you exactly how to create a group on WhatsApp, step by step. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Now, tap on the More button in the top right corner. Then, tap on New Group. On this screen, you can select the people you want to add to your group. You can scroll through your contacts, or use the search bar to find someone by name. Once you've selected your group members, tap the green Continue button with the arrow. Next, you can add a name for your group. On this same screen, you can also add a profile picture by tapping the camera icon. A new window will pop up where you can choose how to add your image. You can take a photo, pick one from your gallery, use an emoji, search online, or even create one with AI. For this example, tap on Gallery. Now, select the image you want to use for your group. Then tap Done. After that, you can choose disappearing messages and set a timer if you want. You can also adjust other group settings and permissions to your preference. Finally, tap the green Confirm button with a check mark. And that's it. Your WhatsApp group is now created. And done. Now you know how to create a group on WhatsApp. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now go check out the next video.